course, she can't belong with you. I know I should have guessed. She wasn't mine to mother. She wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away. Another dream, another mother's tears. Oh, but you must. It's your life, so go and live it with the swans.
But why? I don't care whose egg I came out of. You are my mother. You taught me. And that's what matters. Well, it takes all sorts to make a world. And you said yourself that the duckyard would be boring if we all look the same. So I've decided to come back with you, to be different.
We are both coming back.
To be the first swans on the lake. I was different as a duckling. And now I'll be just as different as a swan. I like my honk. And I like being different.
That you are. I'm so proud of you. Well, what are we waiting for? I can't wait to see Drake's reaction. He might lay an egg. And what that might turn into, I can't even bear thinking about it.